This video will discuss questions 25 through 27 on your review. They're the questions on the back of your test. Please remember that you will have access to the formulas for these perimeters and areas on your test. For instance, on circles, you will be given that the area equals pi r squared, and the circumference equals 2 pi r, or how I like to commonly say it, pi times d. So on number 25, first thing that you need to do is you need to know that the radius is 6 and that the diameter is twice that, so it's 12. And so to find your, let's start with circumference. We're going to do pi times d, so pi times 12. And use the pi button if you're using a calculator. If you take pi times 12, you get 37.7. And so the circumference is 37.7 feet. The area is pi times radius squared, and that should give you 113.1 feet squared. Rectangles are a little easier to remember the formulas for. The area is just length times width, and the perimeter is just 2 length plus 2 width. So basically just add up all the sides. These little tick marks means that each one of these sides are equal. And so the perimeter for this one would just add up 4 12.6s. And so 12.6 plus 12.6 plus 12.6 plus 12.6, or 12.6 times 4, is 50.4 centimeters. And then the area, we just take length times width, so 12.6 times 12.6, which is 158.8 centimeters squared. So that's it for those two. On 27, you're given that the area, or the perimeter is 25, and you're looking for the width. And so if we know the perimeter, we know that this is x, and we know that this is 8.5. And so we have 8.5 plus x plus 8.5 plus x, and we know that that equals 25. We know the perimeter is 25. And so we would add those up. We'd have 17 plus 2x equals 25. Subtract 17 from both sides, so 2x equals 8. Divided by 2, so x equals 4. And so we know that our width is 4 inches, so that's part of the question. And then ask for the area. So once we know the area, or once we know the width, all we have to do is take 4 times 8.5, which gives us 34 inches squared. So those are both of our answers. As far as the vocabulary goes on the rest of this review, you guys should have notes over that, and there's also notes posted out on the main page of my website. Once you get into Unit 8, it's one of the first things you see. You can also Google those definitions. So study, study, study. Good luck.